which recipe now you are going to share with me today?
I'm cooking Arabic food because of Ramjan. You know, Ramjan is going on. Before
Yes.
we were coming at the student all together 10 o'clock morning time. But nowadays our time has been changed because of Ramjan, and nowadays we are coming all together 2.5 hours PM.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
after that, just now you can see we are cooking food. After cooking food,
Mhm.
we can take rest, and we will face more customer after 1 o'clock. After one
Mhm.
o'clock, because that time they will come, and we will face more customer because of Ramjan. But just when we are taking a rest and we are getting a fast after cooking food, and we keep in the heater, and after that we will use mobile and we will take rest, and we will wait for the customer 1 o'clock. And they will come. That time we will face a 2 hour continue. We will work hard for them.
Mhm. Okay. So you are preparing dinner or lunch? You are preparing.
Come again, ma'am.
Are you preparing lunch or dinner?
No, ma'am. Just we are. I'm preparing food for customer. Maybe after preparing, I will keep in the heater, and we have to wait a long time for customer. Not
Okay.
breakfast. Not breakfast. This is the uh, dinner for them. They
Dinner,
will
yes.
come they will come at 1 o'clock morning time. Maybe tomorrow. Now it is
Mhm.
3:40. Now 3:40 p.m. is going on now.
Okay. So you are preparing dinner for today only, na?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And today I think what would you like to share today?
Yes, ma'am.
Any dish in this video? What would you like to share? Any dish, or you are going to show your whole kitchen and setup?
You are able to see me properly what I am cooking. Are you able to see my restaurant? What I am doing?
Yes, I am able to see. Yes, I am able to see. Yeah. Even your backside also I am very able to see.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Oh, ma'am, you can see this is a biryani.
Okay. This is you are preparing this for biryani. Mhm.
Yeah. This is
And
onion, crunchy onion. I am frying in the oil, and after that I will put on the rice.
mhm. Okay. And what is behind you? There is some machine or what is that? Yeah.
This is these are spice.
These are the spices. Okay. Mhm.
These are spice.
All
And
are
you
whole
know,
spices, no?
this is a heater. After cooking food, we transfer all food heat because of heating food.
Okay. Um, for only heating purpose, we use that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Okay, and,
today, would you like to share one more recipe with me?
yes, ma'am. Of course, I would like to
Yes.
share with you. And then, so what types of recipe you want to know?
Today I would like to know some Italian recipe.
Italian.
Yes.
Ma'am, you know Italian. I can share with you a pasta, Italian pasta. I think you like too much.
Yes, yes. You share, please.
Ma'am, you can you know already pasta. You can find pasta at your home at your market, but and after
Mhm.
and you know, ma'am, say capsicum. Here we have to use mostly we use capsicum, red capsicum, yellow capsicum for that.
Yes.
If I talk about
First,
India,
what you
ma'am,
do, tell me all the ingredients that we put in pasta. Are you put in pasta? One by one, you tell, then it will be easy for me also to understand and for my viewers also. So they can easily get to know how to prepare pasta in a
yeah,
restaurant style.
yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So First of all, ma'am, we have to take a pasta, and after that we have to clean good, and we have to pour in the water, maybe 30 minutes, 20 minutes, and after that we have to boil. After boiling, we have to remove from the water, and we have to use uh, palmoline oil, like refined oil, for no sticking. And after
Okay.
that we can keep aside, maybe, and after that we have to cover, good cover.
Mm-hmm.
And if I talk about after that, what I will do after that, we should do take a saucepan, like a medium size saucepan. After that, we have to use oil. Here we mostly use zaitun oil, olive oil. Here,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
it's depend on you. You want to use refined oil, and after that you have to use three spoon, two three tablespoon use refined oil, and after that you have to put a ginger garlic paste. According
Okay.
to
Only ginger
according
garlic
to
paste.
pasta, yeah, according to
Mm-hmm.
pasta, how much are you going to cook? And after that, we have to add onion as well as capsicum, green capsicum, red capsicum, yellow capsicum. After that, we have to fry maybe 2 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
2 minutes, and after that, we can pour a pasta in uh, in paste,
Okay.
yeah, in paste with garlic and ginger garlic paste and onion. And after that, man, we have to fry 2 minutes. Mix
Mm-hmm.
well. We have to mix well. And after
Okay.
mixing well, we have to put a mango sauce. Here we find pasta sauce, so many 8 to 9 sauce, ketchup, so many types of sauce. Yeah, white sauce, vinegar sauce,
Mm-hmm.
mayonnaise.
So
But
means
ma'am, I
you
cannot
put
tell
all
about
sauce
India.
all together.
Yes, ma'am.
Only one sauce is enough, or you put lots of sauces all together.
No, ma'am. All together. One
Okay.
tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. Mostly, ma'am, I put pasta sauce. Here I find pasta sauce. Yeah, mostly I put more pasta sauce, maybe 3 tablespoon for a
Okay.
large order. For large order.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And after that, ma'am, we have to mix well, and we have to check by spoon according to salt is good or not. And after that, we can put uh, coriander leaves.
Coriander
Coriander
leaves
leaves.
for sprinkle
Yeah.
only. Yeah,
Yeah,
for
coriander
garnish.
leaves. And after that, yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, it's depend on you. And if you want to take a chicken with eggs, and you can put a egg, you can put a chicken. But just I told you about veg, only veg.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I just want to share again what I understand. First, we will take pasta, and we take that pasta. We will soak that in water and reduce
Yeah.
all the water. And we put pasta for sometimes like half an hour. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
After that, we will boil that pasta in water, and
Yeah, yeah.
after boiling, so at the time of boiling, we boil means completely, or some parts
Sorry,
remain in
ma'am.
that
I
time.
forgot to tell you. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell you. We will not cook completely 85, 100%. We have to do 75%. Yeah. If you check,
Oh.
we will check.
Means at the
We will check.
time of boiling, only 75% we will boil. And after
Yeah,
that, we reduce all water and
yeah,
keep it aside. And
yeah,
we take one pan. In that, we put some refined oil according to
yeah, yeah,
pasta, like 2 spoon
yeah,
or 3 spoon. And in that, we put garlic paste
yeah, yeah,
and chopped onion as well
yeah,
as
yeah.
capsicum.
Yes, ma'am. It's
And
depend on you if you have
we will fry
capsicum.
that for 3 or 4 minutes
Yeah,
on low flame only.
yeah, look,
And
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, so immediately we will put salt, or later we put salt.
No, ma'am. First, ma'am, when we will put pasta, and as well as we can put salt. As well as
Okay,
we can put
after
salt.
means frying that ginger garlic paste, capsicum and onion for 4 minutes or 5 minutes, we will put that pasta inside that and stir for few minutes. like 2 or 3 minutes, and also put salt according to our taste. And
Yeah,
we will also means for how many minutes we will means stir that, 2 minutes or 3 minutes
how many? Which ma'am? What ma'am? How many?
after putting the pasta inside that. How many times we will soak that, we will means we will stir that.
Ma'am, 2 3 times, ma'am. And we have to just ma'am, just when I cook and I have to focus because ma'am I have experience. That's why ma'am I do ma'am 3 times, 2 times, and after that I find it will completely it will definitely good. And ma'am, just
Okay,
ma'am,
we will
whatever
not cover
whatever.
with
Uh,
while with lid.
yes ma'am.
We will cover or not?
Yeah, no cover.
Okay, for 5 minutes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Well, no ma'am,
and
no.
after 5 minutes,
I'm just
we will.
whatever ma'am I told you ma'am according to 1%, 2%, and I told you according to 2%, 3%. If I talk about here, every day I have to cook by measure. We have a measure. We have a weight machine. How many
Mhm.
kilos? How many grams? How much salt? How much that things? How much in between? And remember,
Yes.
I mean, what I told you directly. But ma'am,
Mhm.
whatever I told you is good, and you will find so tasty.
Along with that, we also put
Yeah.
at least pasta
At the time of
sauce
cooking, ma'am,
and other sauces also. Yeah.
at the time of cooking, ma'am, just ma'am, and you want to take a knowledge, and at the time of cooking, when you will go to cook, and that time you will remind everything because that time you will be passionate for cooking. Yes,
Yes, I thought that when I communicate with you, I every time I learn new recipe. So I because I am very fond of cooking. So every day I can cook new dish and can share with others also. Yes.
yes, ma'am. And mostly, ma'am, yeah, if you follow me, ma'am, and I think you will find us so good, tasty. Yes,
Yes, yes, surely. Because I also want to learn Chinese food, like how to prepare and how to make a restaurant style. Because we when we prepare at home, and so that taste and restaurant taste is totally different. We do not get
yeah,
that same taste,
yes,
because I think in restaurant you people also use lots of things as spices in food that we generally do not use at home.
yes, ma'am. But ma'am, there
Yeah.
is no very big difference between. But ma'am, in our if I talk about restaurant, ma'am, we find everything very easily because restaurant is a restaurant. That's why, ma'am.
Yes.
At our home, ma'am, that is the food, and that will be very good. That will
Hmm.
be very good for us for health. If I talk
Yes.
about restaurant here, I mean, if I talk about Saudi Arabia where I'm living, where I'm cooking food, here you will find everything is good because we cannot touch anything without gloves, and you can see there's a gloves and a mask
Hmm.
and a cap because
Yes.
here rule is very strict. That's why, ma'am, because mostly they don't cook food at their home. Maybe, ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
yes, every time they want food from the restaurant, and that's why we have to care everything. We have to focus everything on that thing because ma'am they don't
Mm-hmm.
like dirty. They don't like if we just ma'am I'm cooking. If someone come at the time of cooking, if they will find me without gloves, it can be big problem for me. Without mask, can be big problem
Mm-hmm.
for me. Everything should be looking. If I talk about my uh, here, you can see this is a wall. If government
Mm-hmm.
people come, if government people come and he will do like this, a finger. After that,
Mm-hmm.
he will find dust. He will find dust
Yes.
on the wall.
I think that they
And
also follow hygiene, because
yeah,
every means I can see means that the place where you stand now, it's totally clean also. Walls, upper side part, all are clean.
and then second thing, and if I talk about sauce, anything, remember you will find here date on that thing because
Mm-hmm.
there is a date. Without that, we cannot sell and we cannot keep in a fridge, in a refrigerator, in everywhere. without it can be big problem. When government people come directly, they open a refrigerator, they open the door, or they open a vegetable fridge, and after that they check. If
Mm-hmm.
they will not find a date on that thing, they will, ma'am, can be problem for us, and they will direct to maybe charge maybe 20,000 real, 25,000 real, 15,000
Mm-hmm.
real, and this type of situation we have to face every day. Yes, no, not now. One look mark. Yeah, Alhin, Arba.
Yes.
That's right.
Yes. And I think this is good thing also if we follow all government rules. So this is for good for person for their health
Yeah.
because I think you people follow all the government rules that is made
Yes,
by
ma'am.
government for the hygienic purpose only.
Yeah, yeah. We
Yes.
follow.
And for the I think they also bother about their health.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am,
But
just
I
ma'am.
think that these things are not followed in our country. Is it
Yes,
or
ma'am.
not?
Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am. And should be, ma'am, should be in India like this rule.
Mhm. And I think these types of rules should be in India so that
Yeah,
we can also make country very
yeah, yeah.
strong. Not
Yes, ma'am.
only
Right.
one field, in every field.
Yeah. And ma'am, suppose
Yeah.
that just ma'am, I'm cooking and but ma'am, I think I'm not using glove, I'm not using a mask, not a problem for me, not like that, ma'am. But there are so many cameras in front of me,
Mm-hmm.
and they are watching me. I know they are watching me. If I will make mistake after that, they will call me. They send me a message on WhatsApp. What are you doing? They will not
Mm-hmm.
detect. They will make me understand because I'm a head chef. They like me. They respect me. That's why, ma'am. And if I will make mistake after that, I will be caught by them directly. I know because uh, they always checking a camera.
Mm-hmm.
There are so many cameras. If anyone, not me, if anyone do something wrong, 100%,
But
ma'am.
recently you are not wearing your mask, and there, as you told, there are lots of camera around you. So
No, ma'am.
they also
Just ma'am.
listen our conversation also.
Yes, ma'am. The bus, ma'am. I know about them, ma'am. They are taking a rest. They are sleeping because of Ramadan. That's why, ma'am. Everyone is using the mask, but ma'am, we suffocate it like you feel a problem when you use your mask maybe 12 hours to 14 hour continue, ma'am. That's why, ma'am,
Mhm.
we feel not good. And ma'am, if you talk about my mask, ma'am, here a problem here. Sometimes
Mhm.
I find a blood because of this one. Every
Yes,
time I have to use gloves.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah. So another time when we connect, so what dish you will share with me?
Ma'am, I would like to share with you a recipe of biryani because, ma'am,
Biryani, yes.
mostly I,
Tell me all process properly so that I can make the same taste at home also.
yes, ma'am. Of course,
Yeah,
ma'am, I would like to share with you and I will tell you good way uh,
yes,
for cooking biryani.
yes, yes. So do you have a
And ma'am, I will try to send a video at the time of cooking biryani. And I have already video. I will send you on your Skype.
yeah, yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you ma'am, so much. It was a nice meeting to you, and I am very happy. And we will
Yeah,
ma'am, we will meet again. And after that, I would like to share good things about tech food.
yeah, yeah, surely. Yeah, yeah.